How we know it's a good day? We have a full moon, you guys. Full moon.
Set off the big candles.
Let's light off this one, man.
Yep, this one. I was gonna go with this one. All right, here we go. Oh, I don't like it. Screw that. All right, cut. Huh. You guys, watch this one. Holy!
Oh, I got it, Rich. I got it.
Oh my God! Is it only one? Dude, it's worth it. It's worth the money. Get back.
Rich, what is this one?
Look at that. I love you.
I love USA.
Rich, you're right in the way of my thing.
Oh, this is the. Is that the?
Does a little bit of it. Yeah.
Shit. That's the last one. That's the finale. You guys. It's moving to the next one. When it goes down, it moves to the next one. Oh shit. Oh, holy cow. Don't spray it off. Hold on. That's crazy. Let it burn. This is the last one.
Yourself.
This
Watch
is
yourself.
this is the last one. Where's the Corvette emblem? Oh yeah, we're fucked. I repeat, we're fucked.
Yeah.
All right. Please like and subscribe, and
Anybody who's
that's it.
sleeping is not now.
Yeah. This is the last
Watch
one.
yourself.
This
Watch
is
yourself.
this is the last one. Where's the Corvette emblem? Oh yeah, we're fucked. I repeat, we're fucked.
Yeah.
All right. Please like and subscribe, and
Anybody who's
that's it.
sleeping is not now.
Yeah.